Now, Fox 54 Legal Connect with attorney Katonga Wright.
Hi, I'm Jackie Lynch, and I'm here with Katonga. How are you?
I am great, Jackie. How are you?
Wonderful. Glad to have you here on this beautiful, almost spring day.
Yeah, I'm glad to be here and ready for our question.
Wonderful. So here it is. This person says, as a parent myself, I'm curious about playground injuries. What should parents do if their child is hurt due to poorly maintained equipment?
Well, you know, this is really unfortunate because any type of playground injury usually involves a small child. So we never want to see our children get injured or hurt. And I think the first thing a parent should do to prevent a playground injury is to really do a very thorough job of inspecting the playground equipment before they allow their children to play on it.
Right.
You know, these city parks and where playgrounds are usually located sometimes aren't as well maintained as we would like them to be.
Right.
So we want to make sure that as a parent, we're taking the responsibility of making sure that we're getting a survey of the land before we let our kids just bolt out and go at it.
Right. And we have some beautiful parks here in our area.
Absolutely.
That are maintained well, but there's a lot of vandalism that has some consideration.
Absolutely. And unfortunately, we can't always have people right there to repair something immediately after it happens. So there may be a period of time where that needs to be repaired while that's in the works. And so that's why parents have to really be diligent about inspecting the playground equipment that their children are playing on.
Yeah. So based on that, I know that there's some semblance when we have a personal injury situation, something like this, where the parent can have some culpability as well as the place that has the playground.
Absolutely. I mean, if the parent was negligent in allowing their child to play on the playground and were injured, that could be a bar to any recovery against the property owner where the playground equipment is being maintained.
Yes.
So we definitely want to make sure that parents are on the lookout and not just taking that for granted that, oh, if something happens, you know, that's on them and not on me, because that's definitely not always the case.
Absolutely, absolutely. And I think some of this is going to extend into the summer pool, swimming pools, things like that.
Absolutely.
And maybe next time we can talk about that, because I think it's important for folks to know what their rights are if they're in the public pool system, you know, and using that, or
a private pool.
Yeah,
absolutely.
Pools, yeah, people get injured, so you got to be precautious. But we want you to enjoy the spring air.
And if you've got a question about swimming pools or playgrounds or car accidents or whatever, 706-719-0303 or Legal Connect at WXTX.com.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.